welcome to another video. And today we're gonna do some Lego butterfly knives that maybe I don't know from CS:GO. If you don't know that game, CS:GO is just a game about Counter-Strike.
Why are we trapped
warming.
in here? I wanna go.
And then I don't want to do a tutorial on this, but if this looks good, guys, give me a like.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No 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 no! Nope!
Oh.
Nope! No! Why you tiger?
Okay, here's Lila, which the light is really bad. Yes, and then see this, guys. I don't want to give a tutorial on this, guys, but okay, so see this, guys.
No, I'm going.
This, pull this off, and push this, and then pull that. And you see this? Push that
No,
down.
I'm gonna hide behind a tree.
Put.
No.
Put this.
How do I do this? Do you
Like this.
have to go hide? No, I can't play Fortnite.
Why not?
It keeps on
Then-
lagging, which I don't like it.
Do
Give me that gun back, Aiden. Give me
Then-
that gun.
put on
Aiden,
here.
he's gonna tell on
I
me.
just want to have something to play with.
Let's do
Who
it. And then
was that?
another. Guys, stop. Okay, I'm sorry, guys.
I want
And
to
look
get
at
out
this.
of here. Tell me, neighbor, how do I get out? Now I'm
This.
gonna
It's my favorite.
No, Aiden.
Okay.
Stop taking the gun. That's nothing to play with. Don't throw that at me, Aiden.
It's from CS:GO.
Aiden.
If you don't know the game,
gotta
it's
go.
cool.
Gotta hurry and faster.
Leave me alone. I'm trying to do something, Aiden.
That's good.
That's why.
And don't ask me that I have a toy. It's from Lego.
I'm literally hurrying up.
This is
and,
not a
like,
butterfly
oh my
knife,
God.
but I tried to do it. It's a butterfly knife. And, guys, I think that's the rest of the video, boys.
Oh, they have
And
not caught me yet. Oh,
Subscribe, comment in here. It's Violet. Talk to you guys.
God.
Do a shout out or something.
Shout out to me.
Shout out to me, brother, and tell something.
Brother.
Where's Aiden at?
Or,
I don't really care, honestly.
and then
Aiden? He's
do
out
that.
of here.
Subscribe to
I
him.
didn't know it was in there. Because they told me. Austin told me. Right, Austin? No. You're not letting me.
Okay.
I'm gonna hide it in here.
Subscribe, like, comment.
Subscribe
baby.
to my channel.
Bye bye.
Oh, Birdie, are you coming here to save me? Please do.
Oh, sorry, guys. Bye bye.